A very good morning to all. Today's topic is rhabdoviruses. Rhabdoviruses are bullet or rod-shaped enveloped viruses with a single standard RNA genome. They are included in the family Rhabdoviridae. Second one is classification. Rhabdoviruses infecting mammals belongs to two genera in Rhabdoviridae family. One is Vasiculovirus. This genera contains Vasicular stomatitis virus or related virus like Shandipura. Next one is Lissa virus. It contains rabies virus like a related virus. Lissa meaning madness, synonym for rabies. This is rabies virus, bullet shaped 75 into 180 nanometers with one end round and one end planar or concave. The outer lipoprotein layer envelope contains hemagglutinin papillomers spikes which do not cover the planar end of the virion. Beneath the lipoprotein envelope is the matrix protein layer, which may be invaginated or planar end. Nucleocapsid shows helical symmetry containing a single stranded negative sense RNA genome and a RNA-dependent DNA polymerase. The genome is unsegmented. The planar end don't have hemagglutinin papillomer spikes. Fourth one is resistance. The virus is highly resistant against dryness, cold, decay. Decay means wet particles. Being enveloped viruses, it is sensitive to lipid solvents such as ether, chloroform, acetone. It is inactivated by phenol, formalin, sunlight, ultraviolet radiations. In antigenic structures, there is a glycoprotein G, nucleoprotein, hemagglutinin antigens are present. Sixth one is culture. Experimental infection can be induced in rabies, guinea pigs, rats, and mice. Intracerebral inoculation of the virus causes encephalitis, and the animal dies within 5 to 30 days. In chick embryo, rabies can be grown in the yolk sac of chick embryo. Live attenuated vaccine strains are developed by this method. In tissue culture, the rabies virus can grow in chick embryo fibroblast, hamster kidney cells, human diploid cells, and vero cell cultures. Seventh one is pathogenicity. Rabies virus naturally infects dogs, cats, and bats. Is excreted the saliva of such animals. Man gets the infection by the bite of rabies dog or other animals. During the bite, the virus present in the saliva is deposited in the wound. Disease undergoes four stages: predominant disease, encephalitis phase, coma, death. First one is prodromal disease. For 2 to 4 days, symptoms include malaise, headache, fever, fatigue, anxiety, irritability. In encephalitis phase, inflammation of brain is present. Patient may develop a fear even at the sight or sound of water, hydrophobia. Third one is coma. Patient who survives the encephalitis stage progress into coma, which may be test for few hours or days. Fourth one is death. Death occurs due to respiratory arrest during convulsions. Eighth one is lab diagnosis. Demonstration of rabies antigen by detect immunofluorescence. In case of post-mortem smears of the cut surface of the salivary glands or brain are examined. Negri bodies are observed. Isolation of virus from the brain and CSF, saliva, urine by intracerebral inoculation in mice or in tissue culture cell lines. Detecting of rabies virus RNA by PCR, which is known as polymerase chain reaction. Eighth one is prophylaxis. In this prophylaxis, we can see pre-exposure prophylaxis, post-exposure prophylaxis. First one is pre-exposure prophylaxis. This is given to persons at a high risk of exposure, such as laboratory personnel worker with rabies virus or handling infected or veterinaries and forest officers, etc. Post exposure prophylaxis: washing the wound with soap and cut them, treating it with quaternary A&M. In In severe wounds, human anti-rabies immunoglobulin 20 international units per kg body weight is used. Half the dose is administered intramuscularly, the remaining half is infiltrated locally around the bite. Vaccination. Rabies is the only human disease that can be prevented by vaccination after infection. Since the incubation period is long, active immunity develops before the onset of disease. In this vaccination, we can see neural vaccines, non-neural vaccines. In neural vaccines, there is a sample vaccine, BPL vaccine, infant brain vaccine. Sample vaccine. It consists of a 5% suspension of infected sheep brain inactivated by 5% phenol at 37 degrees Celsius. BPL vaccine. BPL means beta propiolactone vaccine. It is a sample vaccine inactivated by beta propiolactone instead of phenol. Infant brain vaccine. These are prepared using infant mouse, rat, rabies brain and inactivated by UV radiation and BPL or phenol. Non-neural vaccines. In this, there is a egg vaccine is present, tissue culture vaccine, sub-vaccine. First one is egg vaccine. It is not routinely used. Live attenuated chick embryo vaccine. These vaccines are also not in current use. Second one is tissue culture vaccine. These are prepared from fixed rabies virus grown on human diploid cell strains and inactivated with beta propiolactone. Third one is subunit vaccine. It is a recombinant vaccine produced by cloning the glycoprotein subunit present on the virus surface. 11th one is vaccination schedule. In this schedule, there is a three classes is present: class 1, class 2, class 3. 12th one is treatment. No specific anti-rabies agent is available. Intensive support care, management of complications, interference has also been used. Thank you.